Good morning. We are the IDL packaging automation team. My name is Peter, and Jason Daenerys and Joy are with me. Um, so, little background about IDL. They are an international company that designs, prints, and finishes various print work. This print work includes signs, 3D pop-up displays, or menus that you would see in a drive-through or outside. And these menus and displays and signs will display the product in season at the time. IDL has multiple print machines that have a continuous flow to complete their orders. And these are very large scale print machines, but we will be focusing on the manual packing line that collates the orders together in boxes to ship out. On the right here are a few examples of some of the companies that they will ship out to. With the current manual setup at IDL, it is very difficult for them to meet their demand while also hitting their deadlines. So IDL has to outsource temporary labor services to supplement their packing lines, which leads to higher expenses for the wages, and they might not even finish the order for the day. Their quality control and efficiencies are greatly affected by these. So, a little background about their current situation that they have going on. They have a large variance of human operators, being anywhere from 3 to 33 operators on the manual packing line that will service the wide variety of orders. So, the operators will pack the items into either a bag or a box, but their labor operation leads to a high exposure of inaccurate picking, being either missing an item or putting something in that shouldn't be there. So, as I mentioned before, IDL has to utilize workers from a temp agency, having higher wages, but they tend to be unreliable and not know the process, so this can lead to some issues. A few alternatives that we were considering, the first one being the MKW collator. So this would pick up the signs with a suction and put them onto a line to be placed into a box. Next, we have the Pineberry friction feeder. This is loaded from the back and drops the signs into the box. And on the right, we have two shrink wrapping machines, but we chose to go with Technopack due to it being more cost effective and being a semi-automated machine that IDL is already used to working with.
For our solution methodology, we looked at forecasted data and also the demand data to show industry growth and the need for automation. We also searched for potential automation machines by contacting vendors, which we previously mentioned. We also analyzed the productivity of workers, and we also compared manual versus automated productivity. We also calculated the ROI and incremental analysis for potential profit, and chose the one with the best ROI and see the best present worth for the incremental analysis. And from our results from our ROI and incremental analysis was that the Technopack shrink wrapping automation has the best ROI and would be easy to install. A fully automated shrink wrapping machine, which should be researched further to reduce labor, but would cost a lot more. And using an incremental analysis, the MKW collator would be more appropriate due to replacing a larger amount of temporary workers. This would make the present worth value of the machine greater than Pineberry's friction feeder or Technopack shrink wrap machine. And part of our information plan, again, IDL will review the ROI, the incremental analysis, and vendor information. And for the recommendation, we would have them both buy the Technopack shrink wrap machine as well as the MKW collator, and hopefully IDL will meet with the vendors to discuss more about it.